Hello, today we are going to be unboxing two bats. I do not know what bats these are, so I'm very excited and I'm just going to start it because I'm excited. So I'm going to open this box first from Just Bats. Always cut away from yourself. I feel a grip. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, this is the Warstic Bonesaber Hybrid. Drop 5. This is a beauty. This is 30 inches. Wow. First thing from seeing this, USA Baseball. The grip tape is just amazing. It looks like it was made for an Egyptian prince. It's a 2-piece. It's apparently speed loaded. I really like this. Holy crap, I can't get over how nice Bonesabers are. I have the normal Bonesaber US AAA or BB Core, I can't remember. It's very, very nice. Oh my god. It's got a tapered grip, so it gives you a lot more control over the barrel. So it hits with a lot more control, and I think I'm going to have a great season with this. I'm very excited. We got USA because a lot of leagues only allow USAs, so now we have this really nice USA. I'm very, very excited to try this out. In a separate video, we'll probably film me trying it out, but I think this is going to be one of my favorite bats because I already love Bonesabers. For the second box, these arrived very, very recently, so. Ooh, we have the Louisville Power Select Drop 10. 30-inch Drop 10. Look at this. This is just a beautiful bat. It has great colors. This is a 3-piece alloy, composite alloy. Jeez, this is just amazing. I mean, the colors on this pop so much more. I think this is definitely going to be the most colorful bat in my bat bag. Jeez, this thing's amazing. I love how it feels actually a lot end loaded, so it feels like it's probably gonna have some far hits when you get the barrel on it. So definitely going to be a good bat for if somebody's throwing too fast, I just need to get the bat on it. Absolutely slams it. This is another USA bat. Very colorful. I keep saying that because of how colorful it is. I think the stock grip tape is definitely worse than the Bonesaber though. So I'll probably put a different bat tape on this, but the lime green on the bat, the bottom of the bat, just amazing. This is a great bat. Very excited for it.
And what are you using for your competition bats right now?
For my competition bats right now, I have the DeMarini Zoa in a drop 8. I have Laurent's Icon in a drop 8. I'm using the Bonesaber drop 5. And for my final bat, usually I'll have stuff like wooden bats in there. I think right now I don't know what I have in there right now.
Stinger?
Yeah, I have the Stinger in there.
Axe bat?
I have the Axe bat because I just did a game. For practices, usually I'll bring a wood bat or something like my Stinger Missile 3. But right now I have my Axe in there. Beautiful bat. So that's the two bats that I've gotten so far today. I'm hoping some more will come. But Louisville Power and the Bonesaber. Thanks for watching.